What's going on, YouTube? We live with it. We're about to get to some live trading. You know what I mean? I'm potentially looking for a trade, possible short trade, but I don't know where we're going to get into this yet. But if it does actually pan out to be a decent short trade, we're going to do that. So without further ado, we're going to move over to the charts. You know what I'm saying? We've got a special guest today, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's go. You know what I'm saying? So look. All right, I'm going to pull up my YouTube on here too so I can see everything. And y'all let me know too if y'all think the music is too loud, whatever, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. Just gotta, pretty sure. Research. Nice. Alright, we got one person watching. Oh, that's probably me. Anyway, y'all. And let's get some people in here. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm barely on the YouTube. I mean, I only got 700 subscribers on here, but when people start to come in, they're going to stay. They're going to stay. All right, so let's start setting up this charts at least. That's one thing we can do. So we got fresh charts on here. Fresh charts. So first things first, let's jump into that daily and let's highlight some things that are important with these fresh charts. Previous levels of support. Again, fresh charts. Welcome, welcome. If you guys are in here, say something to me. Speak in the comments. I'm going to listen. All right. Alright, first things first, let's focus on these levels that matter. Alright. Clearly there's some sort of skinny line. Let's fix that line. I guess it's going to be blue on this one. All right, I do want to point out just kind of where price has been hanging around for the last few days. No, I don't. Possibly looking to take a trade tonight, y'all, so stick around for that. Say something in the comments. How y'all doing? I see people watching. Speak up. Say something, y'all. I don't bite. All right. All right, so this is where we are. This is where we are with it right now. This is on a daily time frame. I'm going to jump down to the 1 hour so we can just focus. We're going to zoom in on the charts on the 1 hour and see what's actually going on. All right. So I'm going to mend this. I'd rather this be focused on right here because as you can see, we have more touches. Like let me kind of show you guys what I'm looking at as I'm setting up this chart. Maybe we could use these arrows. Actually, I hate these arrows. Let me get a better arrows. Touches. Boom. And now also here. So you can clearly see that this level matters. And then we have another level down here, which I'm going to just take a ray right here and draw it like that. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. This is exactly what we're looking at. So the trade is going to be within this channel right here. So I'm going to select and highlight the channel. The trade will take place in this channel. Let me see. What color do I want these boxes to be? I want to make them red. Right there. And opacity. I like that opacity. You know how to be. Just like that. That'll work. Let's do the same for this one. So it's easy to see. Nothing to do with the fact that we're gonna short it. You want it to be, yeah, we can go like that. All right. I'm dodging the webcam when I lean over. It's like right in my face. It's like right there. Anyway, okay, so Bitcoin looks to be trading upwards. So we're in a 1 hour time frame. This is the current overall trend that I'm looking at. This line is terrible looking. So I kind of still got a ways before it actually hits that. You know what I'm saying? What color do I want my lines to be? Yeah, I'll let my lines be green. I like thick lines though. All right. All right, y'all. All right. I like things to like just make sense, you know what I mean? I like this green. Okay, now you can clearly and easily see how many times, you know, Bitcoin actually touched and got supported, with the green arrows showing representing the support and the red arrows representing the resistance. A couple of times they had a fake out. Actually, price came down, bounced off it, and wanted to keep going up. I could highlight that too. You know, that's just a higher level right there, just because we have the most touches. So now we got a kind of a clear view of Bitcoin and what's been actually happening. Don't that look beautiful? I mean, I don't know about y'all, but to me that looks beautiful. So now I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. Are we going to bounce back into the red channel here, or find our way to touch the top of this blue channel right here, the tip top? So this red channel is like my inner channel, and then you have the blue right here, these blue lines representing the outer, you know, channel. And based on whatever happens here, you know, this is when I would take a trade. So for example, if I want to take a trade and we want to come down, if we get rejected here yet again, like with what's going on here, and we come back down and maybe break down below this, I want to see some sort of retest. So let me show you guys what I want to look for. So we have where's the paintbrush? I'm so used to having my favorites. Patterns, animation, okay. Geometric shape. Oh, there's a brush. Okay, I want to favorite this, favorite that. Okay, let's go click on my brush. All right, I'm doing that so I can change the settings on this. Make the line thicker. There we go. All right. Cool. All right, so we're just in a 1 hour. Now, if I actually go back and look into the daily, there's a whole different pattern at play here. So on the daily, you know what? Hold on. This is something that I need to do because I don't normally use these arrows in that. I'm going to go ahead and these. I wish there was a way to select them all like that, but I'm going to take out the day. I mean, I wonder if there's a shortcut to quickly do that. Just so they don't show on a daily time frame. I don't care if they're showing the 4 hours. I like things to look uniform, y'all. Damn, that looks so good. That looks so good. I'm loving it. Anyway, look, there's still a couple of settings I got to do. Like 30 minutes, yes. 15 minutes, I like that. 1 hour, yes. 3 hours, no. I like the 4 hours. 6 hours, not so much. A day and then a week. That looks good to me. Now we're getting somewhere. Back to the 1 hour. So now I can go back to the daily time frame real quick. And all the other stuff should be hidden. Okay, cool. And then now we can kind of draw a line from, so we can go here and go visibility and just kind of take that out too. And we can focus on this. So if this does fall out of here, as you can see, look at how the support's been. This is why this matters the most too. So this trade, this potential trade can actually be a bigger thing at play, because if we do actually get rejected here, as we did before, look at all these consistent rejections, even kind of back here. We'll be breaking this big trend, this trend on the daily time frame. So breaking that trend on the daily time frame means a bigger move. So not just getting out right here, but I'm looking at the smaller trade in the 1 hour, but I could also take some profits out right here because I know price is going to react right there and may even reverse and probably re-enter into a bigger trade and then catch it coming down even more. So we're going to, but we do have to wait to see what happens. It actually can break this. And you see that price has been ranging here for how many days? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and with this being 13 days of sitting here trying to break above this 17.1, 17.2 zone or area. And yeah, I want to say if it breaks this, then if it's probably going to go and make a run up to right around here. There's 18.8 level, somewhere around here. There's 18, just shy of 19, if not even wicking to 19. And possibly be a retracement, a retest before coming back down, because we know how significant this level was. I mean, I talked about the significant level that was. Even this other trend, you know what I mean? But, or you could even look at that. But anyway, this is what we're focused on right now. Yep. All right. I think I should alert my TikTok that I'm on here too. Let me see here. I wonder, can you add? Content settings. TikTok, what's going on? I feel like I need to get a stand. I don't want to have to hold this, but I do want y'all to see this. I want y'all to see this. Look, you guys, tap in with me. I'm doing live trading on my YouTube right now. I'm on live on my TikTok to bring some traffic to my YouTube. I'm live trading on YouTube. If y'all want to see the results of the trade that I'm looking at and that I set up, come check me out on my YouTube. Potential trade. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. I just wanted to go here and give my TikTok a chance to get in and see exactly what's going on. Let's go, y'all. Double tap the screen. Let's get more people in here so we can get people to go over and view the YouTube as well. I'm live on YouTube and it's looking great. This is what that looks like. If you guys want to check it out, it's much cleaner interface. If you guys want to take this trade with me, go ahead and check it out. Angry Advisor. Just literally go to YouTube and type in Angry Advisor. Let's go. I'm loving it. Look at the new followers already. Just turned it on. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Migrate over to my YouTube. Start leaving me some comments. Let's go over some charts. I'll show you guys a trade I'm looking at. Again, I'm setting up a trade. I'm going to be live trading this majorly on my YouTube. I'm only going to be on TikTok for a little bit. We got the viewers coming in. The viewers are coming in. Welcome, y'all. Welcome. We're looking at Bitcoin, a potential trade on Fimix. We'll be doing a leverage trade. Come on, y'all. Tap in. It looks nice. Come trade with me. Come trade with me on YouTube. Just open your app, go to YouTube, and come trade with me. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Right there. Right there. This is how good it's going to look. This is going to be your view. There's two things. I'm looking at a short if we break over this green trend line. So look, these are my trade options. If we break this green trend line that's been actually holding the price up ever since it went to this, like local lower low right here and being supported right here. So this is Bitcoin and this is on a daily time frame. I'm going to lower it and go down to the 4 hour and then a 1 hour and show you guys what I'm looking at. So this trend has been holding the price up and it's been like getting pressed against this resistance. So if it actually, gets rejected and break down and actually start to close underneath there, you can get into a partial trade on that and wait to see if there's going to be a retest and you can get into an even deeper trade. So add more to your trade. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. Damn, you laid your spot at theater. Wait, Angry, damn, you laid your spot. What you mean? What you mean? I'm on YouTube with it. That's why, y'all. So I'm actually on YouTube as well. I'm trying to get people to migrate from the TikTok to my YouTube. Leave me some comments. Let's talk. Whatever you guys want to say. I mean, I don't really have a lot of viewers on the YouTube for some reason, but I do want to be able to show you guys better charts and be live longer instead of me holding the phone and moving around. So that's what this is. Y'all want to go support me? Go visit me on my YouTube. Type some comments on there. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at this interface I made and set up. Okay, I got another subscriber. I see that. But isn't this beautiful, y'all? This will be your view. And if they allow me to actually, share my screen like this on TikTok, that'd be great. I'll go live on both platforms simultaneously, but I don't know. They won't give me the stream code so I can stream directly from here to my TikTok. So y'all gonna have to catch me on YouTube, or I'm gonna start doing Twitch as well, just because I wanna look at my setup, y'all. Oh yeah, I went crazy with it. Y'all wanna see the setup? Should I step back and show you guys what the whole setup look like? If y'all wanna see it, let me know. I'm telling you, I'm taking this thing serious. I told you guys I'm gonna be here doing this, taking my trades on live. I'm gonna do everything on live. I'm gonna do everything on my live. I just got to figure out a way to bring my TikTok audience to my other platforms so y'all can get the better content. That's all. I don't know why YouTube insists on blocking me out. No, I'm going to trade. I'm actually looking to get into a trade tonight. Yeah, I mean, I went crazy. I went crazy. I got the mic, everything. I went crazy. I want to give y'all the top-notch quality. Even my YouTube content, I'm going to record them on my computer and then import them in. AI is coming to take over trading. AI is trying to take over everything. There's an AI for every industry. Literally AI for every industry. Okay. Let's go. I got a new subscriber. Got another new subscriber to my YouTube. I appreciate y'all. So let me go in and show you guys what I'm looking at with this trade. So this is what this looks like. Hold on, let me take this big trend line, I can hide this, but actually we should leave it just so we can see exactly what's going on. And I'm gonna hide it. We're gonna hide it on the hours and hide it on the minutes, but we're gonna keep it on a daily time frame. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. This is what Bitcoin is currently doing. Okay, so if we focus on the now and what's going on now, look at this. We have resistance right here, so rejection. We got this resistance right here, and then we have support. And we see how many times that Bitcoin has been supported in this range. Had a fake out, went up to this high, came back down, support, then it went below it, but got supported by the bottom blue line. Bounced back up right here. Yet another touch on this blue line, the top of this main channel. Then we have, 3 more rejections right here, and also, another move. So here's what I'm waiting for. So if Bitcoin runs up and goes to break past this, there's a good chance it's going to come back and try to retest it. And if it retests and successfully do that, then I would enter along, and I'll probably hop out just before we get to 18, because I think it would have a chance to go up there to retest previous, highs, and also act as a resistance at a level that used to support the Bitcoin price. However, if we break down past this line, that'll signal us a potential to get into a trade, and also it'd be breaking a much bigger trend line. So that one that I showed you on a daily time frame, like let me kind of zoom out so you can see that it'd be breaking this one, which was the biggest trend line. So if it breaks through past this, that's been actually holding up this price since it's been trying to break this level, then there's a good chance that we're going to probably either trade sideways and dump harder, or just completely dump. And I'm going to get in on the momentum of that. So I'm looking to short if we get past this green uptrend. If we break it, I'm looking to short. I'll probably get into some on the momentum, and if we go back to retest, I'll add more to it, and I'll set my stop loss above here, and I'll probably hold that trade for a few days. It depends on how much and how fast we're going to go down, but that's what we're looking at with this, you guys. Let me see something. Where's the counter? If we go settings. Day format. I'm going to see if there's how do I put it to where it counts down? Let's check my settings, y'all. Right there, countdown to bar close. I want to see it. Alright, we got time zone. Okay. I like to just check my settings. Okay, you guys. All right, what's going on? Are we coming down? This is my favorite view right now. Don't this look beautiful? It's not too messy. Some stuff going on. Let me see. Are you trading options? No, I'm trading crypto. This is Bitcoin. Come on, let's get some subscribers, y'all. Go tap in with me on my YouTube. Look how beautiful this looks on the YouTube. I don't know why I feel like this account, it used to get way more traction, and then all of a sudden it's been pushed down. Yep, supply and demand. I do trend trading. I do look at patterns, candlestick patterns, and also just standard price action patterns and time confluence. I don't really use a lot of indicators. Sometimes I look at the volume to determine when a bigger move is at play. Like if the volume start dwindling down or something. I mean, it hasn't really been much going on right here. And I don't really look at it when I'm at a bigger time frame. There's also some indicators I use. Actually, I want to set that up too. So let me show you guys just some basic indicators. I use the pivot points right here, and then I go into these pivot points, and I don't really like to leave that main one right here, and let's just make sure it's on auto, 15, traditional, perfect. All right, so these pivot points matter to me as well. They actually line up perfectly when I need them to. Like, look how perfect it lined up to what's down here. But these pivot points. And then I use RSI to spot, that's when we're trending though. When we're actually hitting like an actual trend, and let's say we're going up or going down, I use the RSI to determine if there's going to be a reversal. Oops, god dang, I didn't mean to click that one. Alright, I don't need it to be that big. We can get into the settings of it. And I like to do this. Make the line a little thicker. So you can see what's going on. Let's make it easy to see. Alright, so now look, isn't it easier to see the RSI now? Do you mentor others? You know what? Just on live. This is what I do on my live. But I mean, I'm trying to encourage people to go check out my YouTube because that's where everything's clear, and I'm going to spend most of my time on here doing my trading. So if you guys, want to support or have questions, I plan on being far more interactive on there because I'm going to be live a lot longer. But here's my YouTube right here. Angry Advisor. Literally just look up Angry Advisor. Everything is Angry Advisor. Look up Grill. What is that? Or Grill? What is Grill? Why are you spamming me in the comments? This is crypto, y'all. This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin that we're looking at right now. Muscle Maker Incorporated. What is that? I'll go check it out. I appreciate that. Y'all want me to look up stuff, but I'm asking for something too. Look. Do me a favor. Go over to my YouTube. Become a subscriber. Interact with me on there. Comment on there so we can get more people. Like, share it. Figure something out. I really want to do this. I want to take trades on live on here with you guys. I want to be able to be longer. I literally went in on all this setup to take it on the next level. Something that my TikTok can't benefit from. So I just want to share my benefits with you guys. I want you guys to see how clear things are. Whether you're on the phone, the computer, anything, you're going to get clear audio, the good vibes, good music, and I'm going to be live longer. It's more comfortable if I can just sit here, chill, and then you guys can revisit the videos in the live and what I was talking about later. See how my trades and everything go. How do you short? I'll show you. I'm going to show you everything, you guys. I'm on Fimix, so I'm setting up my charts on Fimix. I literally just made this new account, so I'm gonna shrink these charts real quick. I'm going to show you guys something. So literally, here's my Fimix. I just made this account specifically for my YouTube. I named it YouTube. I only put in a small amount of money, and we're going to grow this into a bigger account here on my live. So look, I put in 400, but with fees and transfers, that's where we are with the account. So maybe you guys can watch the trades with me. Let's see if we can turn this 400 into something. What's the difference between price action, supply and demand, supply, and support and resistance? Okay, so price action is just the data, like the closed candles. Like everything you see here is price action. So the price action is already happening. Supply and demand zones are pretty much areas that at the market goes to to pull some money before it actually goes the direction it's going to go. So you'll see like this would kind of be that supply and demand zone right here or down here before it actually goes to make the bigger move that it wants to make. You see the bigger moves usually spring from it. And then support and resistance are the common areas that price are ranging from. So the true support and resistance would be these red lines right here. So the inner right here, you see that's my inner channel. You see how many times price is being supported right here, which means the price actually bounced off it and started to go up higher. And then resistance is where the price hits that level and start coming back down. But you can see the supply and demand zones right here. So that's why you see I'd set it up like a channel to make it really, really easy to understand instead of trying to make this the actual support and resistance when majority of the price action is happening right here. This red line is clearly the support and this red line up here is clearly the resistance, and these are those supply and demand zones. So I hope that makes it easy for you to understand. It took me a while to understand it too. So any questions you guys have about wanting to know how I see things or how they work, I can only tell you what I've learned on it and how it works for me. Oh, look at this. See some comments on the YouTube. I'm happy. Look at this, y'all. I'm so happy about that. Look how good. Look, the comments are going to come up here so y'all can see when I get new subscribers. It's going to flash up here. But let's go. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to say, Ethan, yeah, I appreciate it. Just came from TikTok, bro. You got a new subscriber. I like the sound of you growing that account. Maybe I can put a similar info. Okay, let's do it. Do trade at your own risk. I don't want you to, mimic my trades and then feel like, oh, I lost this because, like, literally, please manage your own risks, please. That's all I'm saying. But I would love for, if y'all already trade and you want to trade with me, I would absolutely love that. I would love it. Support and resistance is not considered price action. The candlesticks themselves are price action, but literally everything you see is price action, is the action of the price. It's where it's gone. One candlestick represents the price action for whatever time zone you're looking at. So if I'm looking at a 1 hour like this, if I look at this 1 hour candle right here, just this one right here, this represents price action. It shows where price opened. If the candle's red, that means the price is lower than the price opened. And then you see where the wicks are, that's where price has gone in this time frame. So it is price action is every candle. But when I say price action, I'm talking about where it generally reacts. I'm talking about the response of the price action. So let me see. What's your Instagram or somewhere I can reach you if I got any questions? It's Angry Advisor. Everything is Angry Advisor. The only thing that's a little bit different is my Twitter, which is going to be Angry_Advisor because someone took the main Angry Advisor. But everything else I got Angry Advisor. And that's with an ER. Let me see. What are you trading on? I'm trading on Femix. 20% stop loss always. So I'll tell you where my strategy for putting the stop loss and how I do that. Like right now, I'm not entering a trade, even though some people will say, well, it's coming down and you wanted to short. Isn't that what you wanted to do? No, I'm waiting for my conditions to be met. So once my conditions are met, then I'll enter a trade. I want to see us break this line right here. So there's two ways you can enter a trade. Once it actually breaks the line, you can see that as an opportunity to get into a trade and you can write it down, or you can wait for a retest and then, further down, like if you want to do it like that. But what I'm looking at is I'm gonna get in. If we get a momentum past this and we get a nice candle close, the moment we close past this line, I'm going to enter a position, not a big position, but maybe half the position I was looking at getting in. And then I'm going to wait. If we come back up and retest this area, which may take a couple more candle closes, then that'd be great. I will put my stop loss right above here. Like, as you can see how many times this tried to break through and it didn't. So I'm going to put it above the highest wick, which is about right here. So my stop loss is going to go right about right here. And with us breaking down right there, hitting that red, there's a good chance we're going to fall down a lot more. If we go and do a retest and we actually get rejected from the retest, whether it be at this price point or the top of this trend line, I'll enter in, I'll add more to my trade. And then as we start to fall, I will chase my stop loss. Like when price reacts right here, I might take some profits out. And then if we start to go past that, I will bring my stop loss down here, which is going to become a stop profit which means if price decides to reverse, no matter what, I'm in profit. But if it doesn't, I'm in that trade for a bigger long haul going down, and then we'll follow that trade together. But if you guys want to follow me on this journey of growing this account, this is my YouTube account. So even though I'm going live here on my TikTok, I'm going to be mostly talking about the charts, other charts like I do here with Bitcoin and everything. But I'm going to make this one exclusive for my YouTube. That's why I'm telling you guys to go follow it. We're going to grow this account. If you guys want to copy my trades, or if you want to trade with me or trade against me, feel free to do so. But this is the money I have in this account. I transferred over $400. It's a small account, something anybody can do. And I want to grow this account with my YouTube. So if you guys are interested in following that, just go hit the subscribe button at least. You can watch this on here, but go to your phone and hit me up on YouTube. Subscribe, because I took the time to make all this, look good for y'all. I make all this look good for you guys. Got the nice mic, got everything. This is Bitcoin. How do you do a reverse move? What do you mean by that? Thanks for the new followers. I appreciate y'all. Let's go. TikTok's still live, giving me followers. Look at this. I'm so happy about this. New subscriber. Thank you so much. Subscribe to me on YouTube, you guys. It's going to go crazy. I'm going to do a restream where I can stream to YouTube and my Twitch at the same time. So this is going to be those accounts. How do you read that? How do you read what? What are you trying to read? Look how beautiful these charts look, y'all. I'm so stoked about this. I'm going to full screen this again. Yes, I do use moving averages. As a matter of fact, I do want to set some of those up too. Let me add that in. I'll show you guys what I do with that too. So indicators, I use exponential moving averages. Oops. Right here. So we're going to add 2 of them in. You see, I just added 2 of them in. We're going to take one of them. I like 14. Let's do orange. And let's make it a little bit thicker so we can see it. I like to see it. And go like that. All right, and then let's take this one and let's make this one dark blue. Make it a little bit thicker and make this one 50. These are the values that I use. That's it. Those are the values that I use for my EMA. I'm brand new at this. What's the first step should I take? First, you should take your time to try to understand. Whoops, I didn't mean to switch that. To understand where the charts, what the charts mean, how to read the charts, how to set up support, resistance, how to understand candlesticks and all that. So you want to kind of understand the charts first if you want to get into trading. But there are some rules and things like that I feel like everybody must think about and follow, and a lot of that is involving getting your mentality right for trading. So there's paper trading. You can set up paper trading where you can go to tradingview.com and trade, just play money just so you can get used to the system and how it works and develop strategies, but don't get attached to it. I'm gonna do it like this. That looks so much better, huh? Thank you, advisor. I will test them to learn. Yeah, no problem. Y'all go follow my YouTube. Look, let's get more subscribers, y'all. Come on, support me. Let's go. They say closed mouth don't get fed. Well, I'm asking for that support. I know a lot of y'all already follow. I got 700, but a lot of you guys are new, and I really want to go crazy on this. What kind of trading is this right now? I trade Forex on MT4. Okay, so this is crypto. This is crypto trading. I'm doing leverage trading, but I also trade Forex as well. I started off with Forex, but I love trading crypto. I love the volatility and how it's available 24/7. And I've made a lot of money in trading it. It's harder to trade, but it's definitely fun if you're into trading and you have the time to commit to it. So I'm gonna full screen this now, you guys. I'm gonna take it out of full screen when I see the trade that I want to take. But this is the most beautiful chart to me. It's beautiful. You get at a glance, you can see your support, your resistance, your demand zones right there, supply and demand zones, and everything looks beautiful. You see the EMAs, you see where price is reacting. So I'll register your YouTube. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. How often do you go live on here? I go live on my TikTok every day. Plan on going live on my YouTube more often. So make sure you guys, when you subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you get notified when I go live. So subscribing is one thing, but being notified when I'm live is another. I don't care. I'm gonna keep doing this too. I'm gonna go every day until people see it. We're gonna grow this account. I'm gonna make a YouTube video telling people about this. This is Phemex. Phemex. Hey, I'm getting the followers. Let's go. You guys are going crazy. Let's go. Even more followers. Let's go. Are you open to affiliate partnerships? I don't really do a lot of affiliate things. I do get a lot of offers for it. It really got to be something that excites me. But something that's more helpful, not promoting anybody's tokens or anything of that nature. CPI prediction. I don't really pay attention to the CPI. I do watch other YouTubers actually for that kind of information. So I don't really make predictions on that. I sit around and I like to take it day by day. I trade and I do technical analysis. But that doesn't mean I don't pay attention to the CPI. I don't make predictions on it. Just to be honest with you. Thoughts on AMC? I haven't looked at that in a while. Do you feel Bitcoin would drop to 14, 15K before it's really back up? I think 12K. As a matter of fact, I was talking about that. Let me see. So let me show you guys the daily. This is my daily chart on what I normally go live with on my TikTok. And this is a target for Bitcoin where I think it can end up. That's around 12K. And it'd be nice to see it drop that low because I have money sitting on side waiting to buy into some other projects that I think are going to fall with it. So, yep. Anyway, let me see. Back to this. Is something brewing? We got it closed. So that 1 hour candle closed. See what's going on here, y'all. What's going on? Respect that. Where can business inquiries? Okay. Just hit me up on my Instagram. I reply to my Instagram. Hit me up on my Instagram. It's Angry Advisor. The link is in my bio. Look at this, y'all. This is so beautiful. These charts are so freaking beautiful. I'm gonna make a promo video for this account. Let's see. I have about 20K to buy at 1340. Nice. Pretty big bag. Nice. Let me see. What do you use as a broker? This is Phemex. Now, that's another reason I want to show you guys why I put only a little bit of money in, because we know that exchanges are going down, and with all the BS that's going on, you also want to be careful. You don't want to just throw a whole bunch of money in somewhere. So that's another reason why I do that. Thoughts on drop shipping? I don't know. I'm not really into that. To drop shipping, I think people are using it as some sort of get rich quick side hustle type scenario, and I don't know. I mean, you're taking a product, buying it from somewhere else, and then reselling it and paying for marketing to push the product and have people buy it from you, and you're making a margin on top when they can buy it from the same supplier that you're buying it from. I don't know. Drop shipping is kind of saturated, and a lot of people covered it on YouTube. So, yeah. Which indicator is what indicator? Are you asking me what indicator do I use or did you use? Do I use? I'm not using a lot of indicators. So as you can see here, I got the RSI. I only really use that in a trending market. I kind of hide that. I got the volume right here. I don't really care. I mean, I see that when we make a big move, if we don't see the volume kind of respond, then it makes me feel like there's like a fake move or something. And then I have the EMAs, which help me out when I'm in the lower time frames, like the 4 hour, the 4 hour to the 1 hour, and even lower to 30 minute when I'm looking to make a trade. Like, look where price is reacting right now. So when the orange line is below, then we're expecting to go down. And then when the orange line is above the blue right here, then we're trending up. But look, price started to react right here on this candle. So this is an hour-long candle. So this candle has literally 55 more minutes before it closes. So It could be possible that, it kind of gets supported right here and tries to go up here one more time, or we see it come down more, and this would be treated as like some sort of 1 hour double top scenario, which usually leads to the price coming back down. But I want to see price break this green trend line, and then that's when I'm looking to enter a trade. CPI tomorrow. Yeah, there's also some other stuff going on tomorrow with the FTX and the Sam Bankman-Fried crap. I just think that's just a distraction in the market and just some fear. It's also crude oil shoot up 80 area. I don't really know. I have not looked at that. I have not looked at any commodities or anything of that nature, so I cannot help you there. I don't want to give you false information or mislead. Can you guys go drop some comments on my YouTube? Maybe it'll generate some more viewers. If y'all don't mind, just go drop. Just say hey, say hi to Angry Advisor. If you already subscribed, just go drop some comments, please. I want to see y'all name pop up on here. What are we supposed to do then? What do you mean? What are the? Let me see. I'm trying to see what the follow up to that was. What do you have your MA set on? 14 and 50. So right here, 14 length is 14, and then this one 50. To me, I find that this is optimal. Look at this. Look, price just keeps reacting there. So even though the candle is not closed, you clearly see the price reacting. Came back down, did this double top, and it's reacting there. So I'm telling you, I love these. I love my EMA setups, especially when looking at the 1 hour and 30 minutes. It all tends to line up. So we'll want to see this come down and close, and at least it's going to probably react at the 50 too. But then we also have this P right here, this pivot point, which is showing that price is going to more likely react here too. And the pivot point is lining straight up with this trend line. So to see a break of both EMAs and a break of this pivot point area, yeah, I mean, it's safe to say it's going to come down. How do you set a stop loss and gain profit? So it depends on where you are, but generally, when you get into a trade, there's options to set a stop loss, and what I would set my stop loss slightly above the most recent swing high, so which is this right here. So I'll set my stop loss above right here, and then I'll set my take profits at areas that I think that price is more likely to reverse. So let me show you guys something. If I wanted to take a short position, let's say I get in. Let's say price goes like this. Let's say price goes like this and actually breaks. And I decide I want to get in on the momentum. That'll probably be right here. So let's say this is my entry. Stop loss, take profit, can either be here or here. And then you can get a clear visual of what your risk is, your risk versus reward. Your risk should never be greater than your reward. If you're risking way more or equal to your reward, then is it really worth it? Is that really good risk management? Let's say I got into my trade way down here and I was looking at still setting my stop loss up here. It's not worth it. Look how much I'm risking for my reward. So risk management is just as important. So that's why waiting for the optimal time to get in also is another protection against risk, because you're waiting for the price action. It can clearly reverse from here. I can say, you know what, it's coming down. We got this candle that came down. Let me just jump in, and it can easily just get supported right here and bounce right back up and go and touch right here, passing my stop loss and taking me right out the trade. Legend has it you own 25% of HBAR. Wait, where'd you hear that from? I own quite a bit of it, but I am heavy into HBAR. I wish I owned 25% of HBAR. Yeah, I'm definitely heavy into HBAR. I love HBAR. Look at this. I got a new subscriber. Let's go. Thank you guys so much. Look how beautiful this YouTube is, and you guys are not subscribing to it? Man. look how I got this set up here. So this computer right here. So this is called a 1X player. This is a little handheld. It's a little gaming computer, but I don't really game. I just do my charts. And I have it plugged into this monitor, which is a touchscreen portable monitor that's actually charging it too at the same time. Whole separate computer. This is so I can watch my YouTube. Then I have my MacBook with Windows on it doing my streaming. And these two monitors are connected with this cam. And yeah, this is how I'm doing it. Let me see. Ready for the morning? Always. How is that arrow signal indicator called? I drew those arrows. I drew those in, so it's not an indicator. It's all this is mostly hand drawn. Let me see. It's gonna be crazy. Yep, with the Sam Bankman-Fried stuff, right? You see BNB. No, I haven't looked at it. I haven't looked at BNB. As a matter of fact, I can pull up a BNB chart. What's going on with BNB? Oh, it came down 16%. It's not down bad. I mean, it's coming down, but it's not terrible. What happened? What's your YouTube channel? It's Angry Advisor. Okay, I'm about to get another subscriber. I appreciate you. Angry Advisor. Look, I'm gonna open up. Hold on. The YouTube channel is looking so much better. Bam. Right there. Angry Advisor. 777. Beautiful number. Okay, thanks for the sub. Yo, okay, I see Haley right here. Let's go. Let's go. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much. This is where a majority of the content's going to be. So, and you can see how clear it is. And then you'll be able to go back and watch my previous lives. Okay, I got another one over here. Okay, Anthony, let's go. Let's go. This is all I wanted, you guys. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you can get notified when I go live. It'd be lovely to have y'all in the comments. Like, I have 40 people in here that's been consistent, around 30, 40 viewers in here. It'd be beautiful to see those viewers over here and get those comments in my YouTube. It'd be beautiful. Like, for those of you that's on YouTube right now, how good does it look? Like, what do you think about it? Look at that. Subscribers going up. Let's go. I definitely appreciate y'all. Still waiting to make that trade. See, sometimes you're just chilling and waiting for the trade. Be patient. Don't be greedy for the trade. Don't be greedy. Sometimes you might see it run all the way up to this supply and demand zone before coming back down, and then that would be epic. That would be even more confirmation. Let's go. Okay, let me see. You look much slimmer from the last time I saw you. Oh yeah, I lost a lot of weight. So I've been in the gym. I was almost 240. I was like 237 or something like that. And I'm down to 215. So I lost quite a bit of weight. If you look at some of my old TikToks, yeah, I was a bit chubby in the face. I said, nah, I need to pull this together. So I lost a lot of weight. I'm probably down to 212, I want to say. I said 215, but I think it's like a little bit lower. But I think I'm happy with that weight. I want to stay right here and just kind of tone up. Thoughts on Tesla tomorrow? I'm not sure. I have not looked at any of the stocks, you guys. I have not looked at any of the stocks, mostly crypto. Nice, congrats. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Anthony. Let's go. Let's go. And for everybody that's subscribing, y'all, I do appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking out the YouTube. Don't hesitate to drop a comment on there. Don't hesitate to drop a comment. What do y'all think about the YouTube interface? Let me go look at H-bar. Oh, my poor H-bar. What are you doing? Do I need to buy more of you? What's going on? I think I need to get some more of this, y'all. I really want to see this dip back down to here. Another accumulation for me. And it'll be lovely to see some sort of dip down to here. See, you guys don't realize I'm not really caring about the price action right now. I'm caring about what these projects are doing and how they're building in the bear market. You know what I mean? What's up? I see some new people coming in here. What's going on, y'all? Go see the real charts on my YouTube. Tap in with my YouTube. Let me see Sauce. What's Sauce doing? I'm gonna make a video about how you guys can make some money in Sauce. Let me see the token. Okay. There we go. All right, Sauce. I see you. I'm waiting on this to come down. I want it to come down a little bit more. I bought some more Sauce. Well, actually, what I did is I took profits up here. And I actually took it right about here, and I took some right here too. So, but it was just this morning that I got some more of this Sauce without having to put more money in either. I didn't have to put any more capital in. Look, we're coming down. Let's go. All right, what we're talking about here? So let's see, Quant to 5K. Yeah, a lot of people are heavy into Quant. I don't really know much about it. I do need to check it out, but right now I have my eyes set to Casper. I'm learning Casper. Put 30K into crypto at the top of the market. Okay, Edgar. I mean, look, here's the trick. If you're still holding, you're okay. And I'm going to tell you what I mean by that. Depending on what token you actually invested in, a lot of this stuff tends to go back to its all-time high if it has some real utility. So hopefully it's not just Doge or anything crazy, even though, surprisingly, Doge can possibly be one of the ones that make a reversal. Let me see. What gym workouts do you do to help you get where you're at? So I run a mile every time I go in the gym. So I run a mile, start off on the treadmill, and then I hit abs, and then I do like different muscle groups every day. So I switch it up. Like I might do chest and triceps, and then biceps and back. You know what I mean? Then I'll do shoulders and I'll do legs, and then I'll have like a freestyle day where I'm kind of like I do like this little circuit. And then one day will be a straight cardio day because I was trying to cut down on weight, and then I just keep doing that. All right, let me see what you guys are talking about on my TikTok. Somebody said, money and what? Oh, what are you talking about? Let me see. Do you mind giving a rundown on how this is different and similar from MT4? I mean, I used to use MT4 to take my trades on Forex. And, I mean, I wouldn't say, it's just different because it's for different things. I haven't used it outside of Forex. I don't know what else you can possibly trade on it, but this is Femex. And one thing I love about Femex, besides, their fees are not astronomical like some of the other trading, and I like the leverage. I do like the fact that they use TradingView charts, so it allows me to set up my charts just the way I like them. And I feel like the indicators are better, and the overall interface is perfect to me. Let me see. Thanks for the new followers. That's how I'll do my chart also. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Cash App if you get some big gains. Or you can just trade with me. All right, let me see what you're saying here on YouTube here. Okay. Julio said, looking good. Okay, let's go. Appreciate it. Okay. You a full-time trader? For the most part. I do music as well. So if my setup here is also a music studio. I'm mixing most of the time. But I do make a decent chunk of my money trading too. Let me see. Most of it was in HBAR, ADA. Oh, nice. Okay, so you're invested in the right stuff. So please don't tell me you're selling your HBAR. Don't sell at a loss. Don't freaking do it. Don't do it. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but selling at a loss is the worst. It's the absolute worst. You'll be live when the bell rings. What you mean? Oh, you mean am I gonna? I don't know. I might cut this live short. I'm still setting up, but I see the subscribers are growing on my YouTube. It's amazing. Y'all. I have 780 now. It'd be nice to see myself get to 800 subscribers before I cut this live, but I plan on being live for a minute. Let me see. I only trade options. Nice. I mean, I've traded options. I've traded pretty much everything, but I'm in love with crypto. I love crypto. I'm not gonna lie. I love the volatility. It just excites me, and I feel like, and I'm heavily invested. So not even just trading. The trading is a very, very, very small portion. Again, let me show you guys. I just made this account again, so I want you guys to follow if you want to see what's going on with this account. This is, hold on. I literally only put $400 in, haven't made a single trade yet, so there's no history on this account. And we're gonna grow this account. It's a very small account, and I wanna grow this with my YouTube. I wanna show you guys you don't need thousands and stuff to make money. So what's the smallest account you flipped? Oh, you wouldn't believe it. I'll probably say, what was it, like maybe a little bit before I had my TikTok, I was still heavily into Forex, and I was trading on LQDFX, and they let you do some crazy leverage, like 500%. And I did a leverage trade with $40 in the account, and I fell asleep, and it just so happened to open up. I forgot what was that trade day when where the prices just go bananas. But anyway, I forgot the term. But anyway, the price went crazy, absolutely crazy, and I was super leveraged with only $40, and I turned that into like maybe almost $2,000 in one trade, and I was over the moon about that. I was so happy. I took some money out, and I put it into this other thing called close options and did some binary trading, and lost a bit of it, but for the most part, I was happy. I think I upgraded a part of my computer, ended up buying me a new graphics card and some more stuff off of that. So it was kind of crazy. I miss those times. That's back when I was using Windows, straight all Windows, no MacBook. And yeah, I was going crazy. I wish I had a TikTok for that, or social media in general. So around I turned that into almost 2K. All right, let me see the comments. What you guys saying over here? Let me see. Okay. What was that Sauce about? Oh yeah, I have to show you guys that. So Sauce is a native token for an exchange that's built on top of Hedera. So this is the leading DEX. This is the reason why Hedera is holding so much value when you look at the TVL, and they're literally leading the space in the DeFi space in Hedera. So if you guys know about BNB and you know about PancakeSwap, and you know Cake is the token for the PancakeSwap, Sauce is the native token for SaucerSwap. And then they just introduced single-sided staking, so you can take your Sauce and actually stake it and not have to worry about impermanent loss. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I think that's awesome for people that want to not just invest, but earn some yield and kind of double down on your investment, like grow the account, compound your investment. So staking is very important. I'm going to make a video specifically on how to get into this, and I'll show you guys just how much money I got into it. And I'll even show you the trade that I made today, where I took profits maybe a couple days ago and just bought back in and was able to increase my Sauce holdings without adding more money into it. I'm telling you, I'm super transparent on this. I want to show you guys everything. I don't care if I take a loss. I don't care what it is. I want to be super transparent with you guys. That's why I even started this. All right, let me read some more of the comments. You scalp crypto? Do you alert your plays on live? Yes, I do. But it's only on YouTube where I do my alerts. So if you guys are interested in seeing me scalp or take quick trades in crypto, I'm going to be doing that on my YouTube. I plan on going live on my YouTube every single day. I'm going to do it on my TikTok too, but mostly on my YouTube. This is a YouTube account. I made this Femex just specifically for YouTube. Let me read the comments. Okay, dang bro, that's what I want to happen to me seriously. I mean, those are like rare moments. If you trade and you look for those crazy moments where things are just going to happen like that, it's not going to always happen like that. So don't get hung up on those moments. But they are fun though. They are very encouraging, and I think I took pictures. If I find them, I'm going to display them. So let me see. Would you recommend Mac or other type of computer for trading and charting? I love Windows. So if you know, I have my Mac because I do music production, and a lot of the plugins and everything just runs smooth. And there's a lot of other things the Mac is good for, but when it comes down for trading and charting and doing live stream, for me at least, I feel like Windows got it hands down, and I'm just always getting a better response on Windows computers. So I'm gonna say I like Windows. I like Windows for trading. All right, let me read the comments over here on YouTube. Nice, man. I'm gonna sub and tune in to more lives in the future. Try to soak up all the things for crypto. Okay, I appreciate you. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. The grind, man. Love to see it. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see. I always wanted to trade, but I never understood the basic concept, so I haven't. Really, the basic concept for trading is understanding the charts, understanding price action. You got to give yourself a set of rules, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I used to have a charting course, and I decided I'm going to start going over that for free on my YouTube, and I'm probably going to make videos and explaining, my course breakdown on my YouTube, and people will be able to just go and recall it and bring it back up. So if you guys are into that, you can check that out too. Okay, another comment came through. What if I don't have that interface? What you mean? If you don't have what interface? Okay, we're just saying over here. Look at all the new followers. Oh, I got some gifts over here on my TikTok. Let's go. I almost got 1,000 likes. You guys want to double tap the screen and get me to that 1,000? That's awesome. Did you ever lose a lot of money when you started? Heck yeah, I lost. At one point, I lost everything. Heck yeah. Listen, this is something that you're going to take losses in. So your emotions can't be invested. Like, okay, in this account, I put only $400. Let's say I blow this account. I've blown accounts before. It's not common, and especially hasn't been more common recently because I do set up some rules for myself. But let's just say I blow this account. I put in what I'm willing to risk. I only put $400 in this account. Again, I want to grow this small account on my YouTube, and I want to just see it grow. But I put the small amount on purpose, and I put what I'm willing to risk. So it's all about that. Everything is risk management at the end of the day. Everything's risk management. And people lose money in the beginning always gives me hope. Everybody loses money. So if you choose to give up because you lost money, it's probably not the space for you. It's probably not the space for you. I promise you. I used to be emotionally tied to it, where I took a bad trade and then I'm like, man, let me just keep going to get my money back. And then I'm taking even worse trades because I'm not slowing down and stopping, looking at the market and following my rules, because I'm feeling bad that I lost some money. If you take your emotions out, you'd be like, okay, I lost money. Let me be done trading for today. And then I had the opposite, where things are going so good. I'm like, I can't lose. And I'm so excited. I'm just taking ridiculous trades. I want to make the next trade so bad because I waited so long for the trade, and now it went in my favor. And I took profits, but now I'm jumping right back into a trade. Lost money. When you're too hasty, when you're too excited, whether it's excited or just feeling depressed or any kind of emotions, is the absolute worst for your trading career. It's the worst, I promise you. What if I don't have that software? What software are you talking about? What software are you looking for? Because what I'm using here is all online. I use TradingView, and then I'm using Fimix for this trades. Are you considering entering a trade anytime soon with the 400? Yes. I mean, that was the point, but if the trade, if it doesn't play out by the time, I wanted to, then I'll miss the trade and I'll wait for another one. But I do want to be awake for this trade. So let's just say it takes like the next 4 or 5 hours to go. Like if it doesn't get here within, make a move that's desirable for me and within a considered time, I might pass up on a trade and wait for another, because there's plenty other trading opportunities that arise. And this is just Bitcoin. There's other trades that I can set up on different currencies as well, or different cryptos as well. Let's go. We're getting more views in here. You guys, hey, follow me. Double tap the screen. I see you guys are following me here on my TikTok, and you guys just went crazy because I was asking you to get me to 1,000 likes, and y'all just went crazy and got me to 2,000. I appreciate that. For everybody that's asking me questions and interacting with me on my YouTube, I do appreciate you, because I really want to bring more attention to here. Again, I told you guys, I put a lot of detail and design and everything. I went and got these lights, you know what I mean, so y'all can see me clear on my webcam. Everything. I want that experience. I'm going to be going live all the time. I'm going to be educating, teaching. We're going to have fun together. We're going to watch important stuff, watch important news. We're just going to have fun on here, y'all. So, hey, go invest in some. You know the vibes. What type of pattern is that? It's just a channel right now. There's no true pattern. We've been trading sideways, and this is the channel. What I'm looking at, you got this support right here, you got the resistance up here, and then you got the supply and demand zones right here, or the outer. I call it the outer of the channel. I missed your vids. Hey, I appreciate that. I'm still making videos. I want to start cranking out more videos like I used to, but I've been so focused on the live, But I'm gonna do both. Yeah, I'm still here though. I'm still around. For a moment, I was kind of had a lot going on. I was moving, so I now live in Texas, and so that happened. There was a lot going on. Okay, sharing the live. I appreciate you. I love when y'all do that. The support is real. Can you show exactly what you are waiting for on the chart? Okay, so yes, I would love to show you what I'm waiting on. All right, so I want to see if there's going to be a potential short opportunity here, or is it going to try to break up and we have a potential long opportunity? On the short side of things, I want to break this green line right here. So if price point, let's say, come down, closes, breaks this green line, we'll be breaking this trend that it's been in, and usually means it's going to try to retest and hit the support area again, which is the bottom of this channel. And if that happens, I'm going to enter a trade on the momentum, a partial trade, and if we get like some sort of retest that happens and get rejected off of there, I'm going to re-enter in on the momentum after the retest. So if we get like some sort of engulfing candle or anything that shows that we're actually retesting and bouncing off of this before we come down lower, then I'll get into a bigger trade. I'm going to take some out here, and then some I'm going to hold. If we start to react, I'm going to bring down my stop loss to where it's a stop profit to about right here, to the area that I initially got in. And if it doesn't take me out the trade and it keeps going down, there's a potential that we retest some of these lows or even come down even lower. And in that case, I'm gonna just chase it with the stop loss and run it down, because the overall trend is bearish. So I would stay in I would stay in a short position longer than I would stay in a long position. Now, let's just say I want to get a potential, hold on, let me see. I thought it was gonna be just a few back clicks. Now, let's say I want to actually do the opposite and get into a long position. What I'll be looking for or waiting on is if this candle actually closes, go back up, and we actually break this area that's been holding us down. Now, I want to be careful because this is clearly a supply and demand zone right here. If we break this and break above it, now I need more rules. I would need more confirmation to get into a long, because the overall trend is bear. We're in a bear market and the overall trend is down. So I'm not looking to really jump into long positions when we're in that state, but that does not mean that prices won't try to continue up and even retest, up here in the longer term. So if we come above here and break above, I want to see some sort of retest. And then once we do that retest, I want to see us break above the level that we initially passed before we started retesting. And then I would get in on the momentum of that. Or if I see a sort of pattern, and then I will look for the next level that price reacts. So probably right about right here, and I'll set a shorter take profit, so I don't have to stay in a long position long when we are in an overall trend of a bear market. Again, I feel safer staying in a short position than staying in a long position. This is Bitcoin, you guys. Bitcoin USD. So potential long position, there's way more rules I'll wait for, so I probably wouldn't even get into a long position tonight, because I don't think it's just gonna shoot up. And if it did just shoot up randomly, I think price is gonna quickly react and come back down to do a retest. Oh, my phone died. All right, so if you guys are still with me here on my YouTube, see, this is what I was saying. All right, we got some new subscribers. All right. Stick with me here on my YouTube because my phone just died. So when it's come back on, I'll let my TikTok know. Okay, I got a like. If you guys are still in here, if you guys don't mind giving me a like on this video, that'd be nice. I know I'm not on here often, but I want to be. So that like is going to add up and show other people that I'm giving out good content. So just a quick like would be nice. I appreciate y'all. I had both on. My phone just died. I forgot that it was going low. I put my battery down where I put my phone on do not disturb mode, so it wasn't going to let me know that my phone was low. But I plugged it up. I was going to say I want to see myself reach the 800 subscriber mark, but since my TikTok is off, I don't know how many new people are going to be, coming in here. Hey, phone just cut back on. We back live. So, since you had it on both, Julio, what do you think about it? Do you prefer being on the TikTok or do you like being on the YouTube? And if you prefer the YouTube, why? I just want to know what your guys' thoughts are on that. right. Back on the phone. I actually don't go on YouTube. Yeah, that's what I figured. When I go live on my TikTok, it goes crazy. I mean, there are times when it's just going crazy. But the thing is about YouTube is it allows me to show more and share more on the screen. And then I love how I can just do these long lives and then I can leave it up as a video. The interface is clean. I would love to share my charts like this to my TikTok, but having to hold the phone, it encourages me to get off the live early, and then tying up my phone is another problem. Like I need my phone sometimes, and tying it up, doesn't always help me. Okay. I have only used Coinbase. Coinbase is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool exchange, but I think the fees are pretty high. The fees are astronomical, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is TradingView chart on the Femix platform. And the way I set up the chart is probably what it is, and I love the way I set it up, and I think it first off looks a little bit confusing, but then once you understand, so that's why I went on to explain it. It changes. We don't have to see the volume. I'm gonna hide some of the stuff too. Some of the stuff we don't need to see, like the volume. Boom. Don't that look much cleaner now without the volume? Didn't need to see that. Okay, we got 785. So I might even see 790 by the end of this live. I don't know. People are coming in. Appreciate it. So I usually watch YouTube videos. I don't really watch people's lives either. I know that TikTok is the easier platform. I don't know why they won't give stream access to me. I'm going to message them actually and say, can you guys give me access to my stream keys so that way I can share to my TikTok look like this clean. All right, y'all. Dang, see, this is what's crazy with my I'm looking at my Instagram, trying to see people that wanted to tap in with me on the Instagram, but the requests are so crazy. It's not even showing me my requests anymore. Like the requests, they go on forever. Maybe I gotta clear them and delete them all. TikTok on my phone, but I don't got a computer. Oh, TikTok is on my phone, but I don't. But I got my computer on my 55-inch. Okay. I mean, my setup is kind of like that. I got a huge monitor. I mean, I like having it on. I like a TV, but a monitor is got better response time, and I like things to be quick. And then, of course, when I'm doing my music, sometimes there's things I got to see more precise. So I use a 32-inch monitor, but yeah, I've had a TV as my monitor before. It's pretty cool. I like watching content on it. And we're really waiting on this trade. Do you see how the patients have to kind of be there for it? Okay, while we wait for that trade, let's go look at some other stuff. I like this tool. I like to play with this tool. Market cap of. You guys should check this tool out if you ever want to see what coin, what price a token would be if it was the current market cap of another token. Let me see. I stopped investing into crypto last year, but what happened to Bitcoin? What made you stop investing into crypto? Just out of curiosity. Is it because it was coming down? I mean, just out of curiosity. Okay, got another new subscriber. Y'all see that up there? Let's go. Y'all see that? It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. There's 9 people watching now, you guys. So people are starting to pour in. People are starting to pour in. Look, you guys, we're looking to take a live trade. I should leave something on the screen. I should type a message to you guys showing that we're looking to take a trade, and I'll let you guys know. Oh, so this is what I wanted to talk about, by the way. Okay, so yesterday I did this on my live, and I'm gonna do it again for you guys here that are watching. But let's just check this out. So Sauce token, I was talking about. If it goes to the current market cap of BNB's native token, BNB's Pancake Swap native token, which is Cake. Oops. I mean, you got to think Sauce is just slightly above 2.5 cents. And those prices can reach upwards of $2. And this is if it reaches the current market cap that's going on right now. I mean, again, this is the market cap of Cake in the bear market. We're not talking about the bull market. So in a bull market, things can go a lot higher. And this coin is sitting at slightly above 2.5 cents. And what's crazy is I think a lot of people are gonna care about it once it's already 50 cents or something crazy and start to run up, or maybe 75 cents, and then or even when it reaches $1 is when people are going to start thinking and caring about this. And I would have been talking about it and ways to compound it, how you can earn more sauce. So you put more sauce in, you put your sauce in, and you stake your sauce and earn more sauce. So by the time that runs up, you don't have to even add more money. You just compound it. Let the sauce, the value of your sauce accumulate. I mean, I think we have a long time before we're looking to actually be taking profits before we actually get into a real bull run. So I'm getting a lot of notifications. Breaking news: Sam Bankman-Fried has been arrested. I know. I read about it. I heard about it. I mean, that's cool and all, but I like continuing to be where I am with it. I'm probably gonna watch everything about that tomorrow. I'm gonna have to wake up early. Okay, let me see. I took out my profit and just forgot about. Okay, I see. What do you think about the new laws for crypto? What new laws are you talking about specifically? I mean, if you're talking about them, pretty much the push for regulation. I think it's important that we really get some real regulation in crypto. It's going to suck because it's the people that aren't in it, by the time real regulation comes in, it's going to be harder to actually invest in it and for it to become the opportunity that it is now. But that's when institutional investors are going to get in. So first off, they're going to want to shake out regular people like you and I, and then make it hard for us to tell us that we need to be accredited investors. Which means we already got to have a certain amount of money, and then it's going to be that it's going to finally push over to not being obtainable until the institutional investors finally get in. Sorry, my brain's drawing blanks, but I do think it's important. It's definitely important. This is going to be my next buy right here. I want this green screen. And thanks for all your comments, by the way, Julio. Look, Your name is like all on the screen. I appreciate you. Damn, that's so beautiful. Let me see. I heard the tokens with no utility might go out. I mean, it happens all the time. Yep, it's definitely gonna happen. It happens all the time. So, with every bear cycle, you see all the previous tokens that were kind of doing nothing or just kind of got a lot of hype and with no real use case. Even if the use case takes a while to develop, you're going to see them start to fall out the top. So, and then other tokens are going to come out. Then hype is going to build around them, and some other tokens with utility. And then when a bull run come around, you're going to see what tokens actually make it to that, pretty much that the top 10. But then you can look at the overall top 100 coins, and then you're going to see that shift out again. Like, there's no way Shiba should be in the top 10 or even in the top 100. I don't think so. I mean, but there was just hype around it. There were some crazy tokens that made it to the top. It was like meme token bull run. But I think this next bull run is going to be utility bull run. So just if you want to invest, it's best to do your research on utility tokens. So, I don't know, y'all. I think I might call it a night. I want to wake up early and be in tune for the news. I will go live with the news, but if I decide I'm going to take a trade, if I happen to wake up or see something else, I'm definitely going to get back on live. So, just to make sure you guys see it. So make sure you got that notification on. I appreciate you guys sticking with me to the end of this one. I'm going to make a quick video that I'm gonna post to my YouTube and showcase this new account and what I'm planning on doing. And I'm probably gonna call it a night, y'all. Thank you all you guys for sticking around. For the ones that are here to hear my thank you. Hope you guys had a good vibe with me. And there's plenty trades and stuff to come along, especially in the day. I mean, I usually stay up all night too, but especially in the days as well. So anyway, I'm out of here, y'all. Get off this live and go invest in something. I'll catch y'all on the next one.